Hello guys, welcome to another video. So in today's video, I want to show you how you can set a password on your pen drive. And why do you want to do this? You want to do this to protect the files on your pen drive from unauthorized use, and also you want to prevent people from having access to your pen drive. Even in the case that someone steals it, they are not going to find it very easy to use the pen drive. Now I'm going to drop a link in the comment section that details step by step how to do this in a blog post. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also watch the very end. Thank you very much. Welcome back. So to set a password on your pen drive, you are going to need the Windows drive encryption, the BitLocker drive encryption. And you're going to find this under the control panel. So let us go into the control panel. You go to all apps and you scroll down to Windows System Tools or Windows Tools. That's where you're going to find the control panel, but alternatively, you can just search for it in the search bar and you're going to find it. So open your control panel and you come all the way here to view by. You have to make sure that it is set on small icons. It shouldn't be under large icons, it should be the small icons. So once you do that, you're going to see all these options. And as you can see, the BitLocker drive encryption is right here. So you open it, and because you are using a pen drive, you have to make sure your pen drive is already inserted. So you open the drop down arrow, you are going to see your drive over there. And you just turn on the BitLocker encryption. So you give it a while to initialize, and it's going to be done in a few seconds. Once it's done, you can go ahead and set up the password for your pen drive. So you select the option for inserting a password. So you take it, and this grayed out portion will now be active. You just type in the password that you want to set, and you re-enter your password as well. So once you are done re-entering the password, you go to next, and you have the option to back up your password with a recovery key. You can do this on your Microsoft account or save it as a file. I don't have a good internet connection, so it's going to require the internet. The first option is going to require internet, so I'm going to cancel it for now and use the save to a file. I think that one is much straightforward. And you save it to a location. If it saves in txt, then the next option is available for you to click. So you open it, and you are given these two options. So you can encrypt the used space only, or you encrypt the entire drive. But to save time, I'm going to use the used this space only. If it's a new pen drive, you can encrypt the whole drive. Then you choose between these two. Since you will not be using your laptop or your pen drive on just one device, you can switch the compatible mode. It's going to work with other devices and other operating systems, and then you start with the encryption. So it's going to take a while, and there you have it. Your encryption is almost done. It's quite fast depending on what you have on your pen drive. If you go for a full encryption, it's going to take a little longer. But if you don't want to take long, just get a new pen drive. You can format your pen drive before you start, whichever way. So let's give it a few seconds for you to finish. Don't forget that I've also dropped the link in the description for a step-by-step guide on how to do it on my website, so you can go there to read it if you find it challenging to follow the video. So the encryption is complete, and you can now save it. So I'm going to demonstrate to you how it works. Let me just close it and close this one too. So we are going to open the file manager to try and demonstrate how this works. So as you can see, the pen drive is not accessible. As soon as you plug it out and you plug it back in, that's what you're going to face. So to access the pen drive and the data that is on it, you need to locate your pen drive, as I'm going to show you. So under PC, you will see a padlock on USB drive, and when you try to open it, you are going to be given this pop-up window to enter your password. So let's enter the password and unlock it. So you can see it's now accessible, and you can access your files, whatever you have saved on it that you do not want others to see. Thank you very much, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and share with me your comments.